latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital with me, Adarsh Vepachedu. Today I'll be speaking to you about a quintessential spice that is part of Indian households, the humble turmeric or haldi. Now we've all grown up hearing about the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of turmeric. But amid the coronavirus pandemic, researchers have indicated that a certain compound in turmeric may as well have antiviral properties and that it can defeat certain types of coronaviruses. So this in fact study was published in the Journal of General Virology, and the compound that was researched is called curcumin. And what the researchers indicated was that curcumin can essentially prevent what is called TGEV, or the transmissible gastroenteritis virus. So you must be wondering as to what TGEV is. It is a type of alpha group of coronavirus that essentially infects pigs. And now you must be wondering as to what the alpha group of coronavirus is. Essentially, it is the first of the 4 genera of coronaviruses, and they are single-stranded RNA viruses that have the potential to infect both humans and mammals as well. So the research found that higher dose of curcumin in experimental cells killed the virus particles completely. And if we were to look at a few of the symptoms of TGEV, now it's characterized by diarrhea, severe dehydration, and even death in a few cases. And when it comes to piglets that are younger than 2 weeks, it is highly infectious and even fatal in a few cases. At this point in time, there is no approved treatment for the alpha coronaviruses. There is, however, a vaccine which is not so effective. So the research was carried out by treating experimental cells with various concentrations of curcumin, and after which the cells were infected with TGEV. And what the research noted is that higher concentration reduced the number of viral particles. The research also spoke about how the curcumin compound is really doing it. There are 3 ways in which curcumin is able to defeat the certain types of coronaviruses. One is that it directly kills the virus before it could really infect the healthier cells. The other is it integrates with the viral envelope to essentially inactivate the virus as a whole. The third method is it alters the metabolism of the cells to prevent the entry of the virus. If we were to look at recent and past study, we've spoken about how curcumin has a property of inhibiting the replication of certain types of viruses like dengue, hepatitis, and even the Zika virus. And if we were to look further back, we've all heard about it, and we've seen enough research as to how curcumin has anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, and even antibacterial effects. And one of the things that comes with turmeric is that it has barely any side effects, and that was one of the reasons why the researchers chose this spice for their study. So at this point in time, there are plans to conduct the research in vivo, where essentially you will have an animal model that will be used for the research, and that will essentially establish the overall benefits, the therapeutic benefits, and the medicinal values, properties of turmeric and curcumin, that particular natural compound found in turmeric. So yes, while there may not be anything conclusive with us at this point in time, we can certainly say that a platform has been erected so that more research is conducted on these lines, and eventually we will have haldi or turmeric and that particular compound curcumin being used in several antiviral properties as well. If you like the information that I've shared with you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to News 9 on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter as well. Many thanks for joining us.